projects. So Saudi Arabia, which is a country with a lot of money and not a lot of things to spend it on, has this $500 billion project, which is called Neom, and it's going to build a city, and it's going to build a winter ski resort in the desert, and it's going to build a holiday resort, which I think is already built, and it's going to build the world's largest floating commercial business centre, because it is like on the Suez Canal, which gets about 10 or 15% of the world's trade going through it. So it's an ambitious project, but it is essentially building what they call a futuristic city. Although I have to say, when you look at it, this is a project for the rich. The essence of the line is that the way I would say to anybody to imagine it is, imagine you're going to build a 105-mile tall skyscraper, which would be ridiculous to try and imagine, and you lay it on its side. So this thing is called the line because it literally is a straight line. It's 200 meters wide, so it's not very wide, but it's 105 miles long, and it goes from the Red Sea to the mountains, and everything is fully contained. It's a renewable energy, carless city of the future. Well, I reckon it's about 9 million it would house, but I think there will be quite a lot of tourists. There'll be a lot of transient people in there, but I think it's about 9 million. So it will be a big city in the scale of cities. All the services will be robots. So I've read that all home cleaning and all office cleaning and all path cleaning, road, walkway cleaning will all be done by robots. So we will continue to feature robots in all of our shows.